This is an Arizona's Family News Update.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Chris Pickle. Here are the latest stories we're following from the Arizona's Family Newsroom. The number of coronavirus cases in Arizona is growing. There are 670 known cases statewide, including 13 deaths. The virus is now considered widespread, impacting 14 of our 15 counties here in Arizona. But still, even if you feel sick, you may not be able to get tested.
Individuals with mild symptoms don't necessarily need to be tested. A test does not change your course of treatment for the disease, and so with our limited resources, we really want to make sure that tests are prioritized for situations where public health can make a difference. So in healthcare workers with symptoms, or people who live in long-term care facilities who have symptoms, or people who are hospitalized who don't have any other explanation for their illness.
That was Jessica Rigler, Assistant Director of the Arizona Department of Health Services. She says more testing will become available in the next few weeks as Arizona receives more supplies. Well, you might finally be able to find your favorite items at your local grocery store. Members of the Arizona National Guard are now helping stock store shelves. It's part of an order by Governor Ducey after stores were cleared out by panic buying and hoarding. A warning from the city of Phoenix. It is going to limit access to popular hiking destinations starting this weekend to avoid the overcrowding that we saw last weekend. So you're going to notice more restrictions at Camelback Mountain, Piestewa Peak, Papago Park, and parts of South Mountain. They're asking hikers to please stay away from trails that appear to be too busy. Arizona schools will remain closed through April 10th. Whether that gets extended still remains up in the air. But Governor Ducey signed new legislation saying schools are not required to make up the days at the end of the school year. And the bill also ensures teachers and staff will get paid. Royal?
Chris, we're looking at kind of a chilly start to the weekend with temperatures in the 40s around Metro Phoenix, but clear skies. Take a look at our futurecast. You can see that we get a mostly sunny day tomorrow, though some high clouds work in late in the day, overnight Saturday night into Sunday. But Sunday, they're going to clear on out, and we'll have more sunshine, and we'll warm things up as well. Tomorrow around the state, 40s and 50s up in the high country. Generally, we'll see 70s in the deserts. So tonight, with fair skies, we'll see a low of about 48. Then tomorrow, a high of about 70. 70s for the rest of the weekend. And by the middle of next week, we're going to be in the upper 80s.
Sounds good. Thank you, Royal. For updates on more stories we're following, you can download our app and subscribe to our YouTube and Roku channels. I'm Chris Pickle. Have a good night.